Guys, it's been quite a while that I've not done any unboxing or an on-feet review video. So here I am, unboxing these Air Jordan 1 Mid Red Chili colorway. I'm going to talk about its look, fit, comfort, how they look on feet. We'll discuss about the material used for the upper in these shoes and also the retail and resale price. See you on the other side. What's up guys, welcome once again to Smart Kicks, and this channel is all about, of course, you know it all, shoes, sneakers, whatever you want to call them. Let's admit that we all are here just because we love shoes. My name is Amit Pandey, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe right now so that you stay connected with the best Indian sneaker channel. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about these Air Jordan 1 Mid Red Chili colorway that released in January 2021 for a retail price of 9,995. That's almost 10,000 rupees. I'll also be talking about the resale price of these sneakers later in this video, so please stick around till the end. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि unboxing तो दिखाया नहीं और directly shoes दिखा दिया. So honestly speaking, कुछ ज़्यादा खास है नहीं unboxing दिखाने के लिए. It's a standard Air Jordan 1 Mid box with the similar white wrapper paper on which 23 is printed, and that's the shoes. Now jumping on to the review of these sneakers. First of all, the base of these mids looks almost similar to Air Jordan 1 Mid Shadow, with just a difference being that the swoosh in this one is of red chili color. And trust me, that's one of the reasons why I fell for these sneakers. Look wise, it's an attractive pair. The black and white color combination mixed with the red chili swoosh makes it worth having in your collection. You can play around with the laces, although the original laces are of black color. If you wish to, red might look cool as well. It's totally your choice. The Air Jordan Wings logo embossed in black color flaunts on the white leather ankle overlay, and the Jumpman tag is displayed on the top of the shoe tongue just like any other Air Jordan 1 Mid. Not really impressed with the quality of the shoe tongue guys, as I found this very thin and not enough spongy to provide that protection to the upper part of the feet. Now moving on to the upper material, the leather quality used in the upper of this shoe, especially the black portion, is of tumbled finish, and the white one is more on the smoother side. Now you can't compare the leather used in the upper of these shoes with the highs because you will end up feeling sad about it. Of course, you have to be reasonable because the price that you pay for these mids is really very reasonable when compared to any highs. The outsole is just the standard outsole that comes for every mid. Fit wise, they run true to their size. I found them very comfortable to flex for a few hours only. Surely can't go on with them for the whole day. चलते टाइम थोड़ी creasing होती है यहाँ पर, तो थोड़ा उसका बुरा लगता है. Otherwise, everything is chill. Talking about the value for money, Jordan sneakers have a legacy, and as a sneakerhead, you must have at least one in your collection. But when you don't have enough money to buy highs, the next best option is to go for mids that also have a good resale value. और mids के केस में किसी को अपनी किडनी बेचने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. The retail price, as I told you earlier, is 9,995. That's almost 10,000 rupees, and the resale is anywhere around 13,000 to 14,000 rupees depending on your size. Style wise, they look dope. I've already used them twice since I bought them. So these are no more DS. अगर आप यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखोगे तो थोड़ी creasing भी दिखाई देगी. VNDS बोल सकते हैं. अगर किसी को DS और VNDS का मतलब नहीं समझ में आया तो प्लीज यहाँ पर एक दूसरा वीडियो मैंने बनाया, लिंक दी हुई है यहाँ पर, आप जाके वो देख सकते हो. स्नीकर स्लैंग से रिलेटेड सारी इंफॉर्मेशन डिटेल में दी हुई है. एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम टू चेक how they look on feet.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the bag like here I go again. Outside says chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma make, keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8 day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, zillions. I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon. I've been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these labels.
So guys, ये था एकदम simple unboxing and on-feet review of Air Jordan 1 Mid Red Chili colorway. I hope you liked this video. Please share this with your friends also and drop your thoughts in the comment section below about these shoes. If you like it or if you don't like it, let's have a conversation about it. Also recently मैं एक study कर रहा हूँ wherein I'm trying to understand how our Indian audience reacts to various sneakers and sneaker brands. Simple है, नीचे description में मैंने एक link दिया हुआ है, तो please जाके वो link भरिए और अपना feedback दीजिए, because that way it will only help us improve and bring in the best suitable content for you guys. Later in this month, we are also going to come up with a few running shoe review videos. So if you're up for that, please stay subscribed. Till my next video, you guys stay fit and keep watching Smart Kicks.